Hello, what's up guys? My name is Nadir Habib. In this video, I build a AI nutrition coach and food tracker assistant with the help of Telegram and n8n. n8n is the backend and Telegram is the front end. So let's get started. How I build a complete assistant. In the last video, you completely now and you can also make that system in your side. So let's get started and see the video at the last. So first of all, this is Telegram trigger. The Telegram trigger I set on the messaging when any message received like the text format, like the voice format, yeah, maybe image format. We categorize in two separate parts. Like the first AI nutrition coach assistant and second one is the food tracker assistant. The text and the voice message when I send, they behave like AI nutrition coach assistants to get me update how many calories I get today and how much we have to need any more calories. The second one is the food tracker. When I send the image, they analyze the image and after that the update in my Google Sheet, in which item your food, how many calories you proceed in. So the complete documentation I provide in my here, the my school community. If you need the Google Sheet file, you can download here. If you need the resources, you can download also from here. So let's get started from the scratch. I built complete workflow. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to the my community. Here's the my JSON file. You download the JSON file and go to the here and let's import the file is the Telegram my chatbot, and also we set is complete. I guide you step by step. So let's first of all we build credentials of the Telegram. So first of all, I go to the bot father. I click here bot father, go to the Telegram and enter the bot father and ask here the new bot. This is new bot message. They ask how our going call it. Please choose a name from your bot. I asked Nadir Habib to bot. Good. Now let's choose your username. Like I same as it is. So they provide me the token and I just copy my token key and paste here and click save enter. The Telegram chatbot is saved. You see that the Telegram our credential is set up and you see that the same credentials is copy right here. So let's we go to the our chatbot. I start the conversation. Hello. So first I set up the Telegram credentials and after that we need to Google Sheet connect our. So go to the credentials and connect your Google account. Just need to Google account. When you connect account, this automatically set up. And also the same as it is, you need to the API key, open API key. Go to the API key and here's you can create your API key like Nadir 123. Then select the project and create a API key. When the create API key, you just copy that API key and paste here your API key and also just and the same as it is you need to the Google Sheet. When you go to the here and same as it is Google Sheet, that is the Google Sheet our file. You just need to the make a copy. When you make a copy, that give you the food data. Now there too I just copy with my name. You see that is the copy my name. I just change my Google Sheet and the food data and food data now there too. The food data is the same rows I pick here. The same is the food data now there too. The same as it is sheet is same is directly integrate and the similar is the Google Sheet. We just set up food data now the two and set up food data now there too. So now we everything is connected. You see that the complete JSON file I share in my school community you can get here. So let's execute when I publish. So let's get started like for the testing result. So let's get started. Check this results. That is my Google Sheet. I just copy that, delete this rows and go to the Telegram. Can I eat and mango? You have 2000 calories left, so you can eat, drink, can I eat, and mango and maintain your last certificate. They ask me you can also 2000 calories left, you can eat daily. So you see that what is that mean? Because my daily calories, I set my limit on the 2000 calories. So let's again I talk with and I send the egg image. I send a mango image for my Telegram. Can I eat that? Can I eat that? They send a message 150 calories, 1.5 gram protein, 50 carbon, 0.6 gram fat. Great choice, keep it up and stay consistency with your goals. So it's mean you can eat that mango. So let's again we check that my food data sheet. So first, here the my food history on I eat a single mango. Which calories is that? 0.5 fat and 1 and calories 175. Now again I talk with can I how much calories left in my today? Now I send a voice message. Hello, how many calories I left today? So can you tell me? Have 1800 calories left, so you cannot eat drink. Hello, how many calories I left today? So you can tell me and maintain your loss. It's mean 1800 calories left. So again we see that that is my image. When they execute, they trigger the image, they get the image file on my Telegram, get the URL of the image that's analyzed by the OpenAI model, and that data of the analyzed image of the mango, they share in my Google Sheet and also in my get the goals data. What is my calories I want in my daily routine? So, and after that, the node I insert here, the AI agent analyze that my maintain calories per and after that they send me a message on my Telegram portal and the voice is similar. I asked you in the first of the video, the text and voice message is based like AI nutrition coach, behavior like, and the image is the food tracker your system that send a voice that get the data on my Google Sheet and after that they provide me answer on my Telegram. You have 1800 the send a voice because they run a text message, the voice message is the AI nutrition your agent, the can I eat that is your the food tracker. So in this video is the complete that I make a AI nutrition coach and food tracker. If you need that file, you can get my school community and here's you get the all resources in my previous video on my school community. So share this video with your friends, yeah, with your alternative friends that likes AI agents and automation with the help of businesses more and like, share and subscribe.